Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am dealing with 10th class maths coordinate geometry exercise 7.2. It deals with the question 7th question. Find the points which divide a line segment A minus 4 comma 0 B 0 comma 6 into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. Earlier trisection we have learned children 3 equal parts. Now 4 equal parts. That means this is A and this is B. A coordinate minus 4 comma 0, that is x1 and y1, and B is 0 comma 6, x2 and y2. It is divided into 4 equal parts. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So let me call it as P, Q, R. So each part is 1, 1, 1, 1. So we have to find out coordinates of P, coordinate of Q, coordinate of R. So according to the problem, see, P divides AB in 1:3 ratio. See, from here to here 1, from here to here 1, 2, 3 ratios. Therefore, M1 is to M2 is equal to 1:3. This implies M1 is 1 and M2 is 3. So, what is P of X? M1 X2 plus M2 X1 by M1 plus M2. So, M1 is 1 into X2. X2 is 0 plus M2 3 into X1. What is X1? Minus 4 by 1 plus 3. So, you are getting minus 12 by 4, that is minus 3. P of X is minus 3. So, this implies P of X is equal to minus 3. Now, P of Y, M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 by M1 plus M2. That is M1 1 into Y2. Y2 is 6 plus M2 3, Y1 is 0 by 1 plus 3. 6 by 4. 6 by 4 means 2 3s are 2 2s are 3 by 2. So, P of X comma Y is equal to P of X is minus 3 and 3 comma 2. These are the coordinates of P of X. Now, let us talk about coordinates of Q. Q divides AB in C. From here to here 1 and 2. 2 is 2. From here to here again 2. That means what? 2 is to 2 is equal to 2, 1 and 1. 2 is to 2 actually, what do you mean by 2 is to 2? 2 is to 2 means 2 by 2. This is 1 by 1. That is 1 is to 1. That means what? Q is the midpoint of AB. If Q is the midpoint of AB, Q of X is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. That is x1 is minus 4 plus x2 is 0 by 2 minus 4 by 2, that is minus 2. Q of Y is y1 plus y2 by 2, that is equal to y1 is 0 plus y2 is 6 by 2, that is 6 by 2, that is 3. Therefore, Q of X comma Y is equal to minus 2 comma 3. This is first answer. This is second answer. Now let us go to the next point, R. R divides AB in, see children, this is R. That means from here to R, 1, 2, 3. 3 parts, and this is one part. 3:1 ratio. 3:1 ratio. Therefore, M1 is equal to 3 and M2 is equal to 1. So, now R of X, M1 X2 plus M2 X1 by M1 plus M2. That is equal to M1 is 3 into X2. What is X2? 0. Plus M2 is 1 into X1. X1 is minus 4 by 3 plus 1. That is minus 4 by 4. You are getting minus 1. This is equal to minus 1. Therefore, R of X is equal to minus 1. Now, let us see what is R of Y. M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 by M1 plus M2. M1 into Y2. Y2 is here 6 plus M2 is 1. Y1 that is 0 by 3 plus 1. That is 18 by 4. That is 2 2s are 2 9s are 9 by 2. So, R of Y is equal to 9 by 2. Therefore, this implies R of X comma Y is equal to minus 1 comma 9 by 2. So, these three are the coordinates, P coordinate, Q coordinate and R coordinate of this problem, children. Please note it down. Same formula, just you understand how it has done. Now, eighth sum, children. Find the points which divides line segment joining A minus 2 comma 2, B 2 comma 8 into 4 equal parts. Same like that of the earlier problem. A and B, A coordinates are minus 2 comma 2, B coordinates are 2 comma 8. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So again, 4 equal parts means 3 points. P, Q, R. These 3 points are dividing AB in 4 equal parts. That means 1, 1, 1, 1. So what you can say? P divides AB in line segment in 1:3 ratio. Therefore, 1:3 ratio means M1 is to M2 is equal to 1:3. This implies M1 is equal to 1 and M2 is equal to 3. So P of X, M1 X2 plus M2 X1 by M1 plus M2. So anyway, M2 X1, anyway you can write, children. So this implies M1 is 1 into X2. What is X2? 2 plus M2 is 3 into X1 minus 2 by M1 plus M2. That is equal to 2 minus 6 by 4. That is minus 4 by 4. So minus 4 by 4, it is minus 1. This implies P of X is equal to minus 1. P of y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So m1 is 1 into y2 8 plus m2 3 into y1 2 by 1 plus 3. That is equal to 8 plus 6 by 4. How much? 14 by 4. 2 2s are 2 7s are. That is 7 by 2. Therefore, P of x comma y is equal to minus 1 comma 7 by 2. This is unanswered, children. P of x, P coordinates we have got. Now, let us see for Q coordinates. Q divides AB in 2:2 ratio, same ratio. Therefore, Q is the midpoint of AB. So, what is Q of x? X1 plus x2 by 2. So, x1 is minus 2 plus x2 is 2 by 2. 0 by 2, that is equal to 0. That means Q of x is equal to 0. Q of y, y1 plus y2 by 2. What is y1? 2 plus y2 is 8 by 2. 10 by 2, that is equal to 5. Therefore, Q of x comma y is equal to 0 comma 5. So this is the second bit. Q coordinates we have got. Now we have to go for R coordinates. R divides AB line segment in. See, R is here 1, 2, 3. 3:1 ratio. Therefore, M1 is to M2 is equal to 3:1. This implies M1 is equal to 3 and M2 is equal to 1. Now, R of x, M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. That is equal to M1 is 3 into x2. x2 is 2 plus M2 1 into x1 minus 2 by 3 plus 1. 6 minus 2 by 4. 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. Now, R of y, M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. M1 is 3 into y2. y2 is 8 plus M2. M2 is how much we have got? 1 into y2. y1, that is 2 by M1 plus M2. That is 24 plus 2 by 4. 26 by 4. 26 means 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 13 by 2. Therefore, R of x comma y is equal to 1 comma 13 by 2. So, these are the three answers, children. P of x, P of x comma y, Q of x comma y, and R of x comma y. Please note it down. Both the sums 7 and 8 are same. Only the numbers are different. Now, ninth problem. Find the point which divides the line joining a plus b comma a minus b and a minus b comma a plus b in 3:2 ratio internally. So, this is a line segment. Let us consider this as a and b. Here the ordered pair is a plus b comma a minus b. Here the ordered pair is a minus b comma a plus b. And there is a point P which is dividing AB in 3:2 ratio. So P divides AB in 3:2 ratio. Therefore, M1 is to M2 is equal to 3:2. This implies M1 is equal to 3 and M2 is equal to 2. M2 M2 is equal to 2. So, P of x is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. So that is M1 is 3 into x2. See, this becomes x1, y1, x2, y2. So x2 is a minus b plus M2. M2 is 2 into x1, a plus b by 3 plus 2. That means 3a minus 3b plus 2a plus 2b by 5. This means 3a plus 2a is 5a. Minus 3b plus 2b is minus b by 5. So, p of x is equal to 5a minus b by 5. Now, let us go for p of y. P of y, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. That is equal to m1 we have taken 3 into y2 a plus b plus m2 is 2 into y1 a minus b by 3 plus 2. That is equal to 3a plus 3b plus 2a minus 2b by 5. So 3a plus 2a is 5a plus 3b minus 2b is plus b 5 by 5. So p of y is equal to 5a plus b by 5. Therefore, p of x comma y is equal to 5a minus b by 5 comma 5a plus b by 5. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. This is the 9th one. Now the next one is you have to find the centroid of the triangle, children. They have given the vertices. First problem. Vertices are minus 1 comma 3 and 6 comma minus 3 and minus 3 comma 6. So we call it as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. And centroid g of x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Already I have derived, children. I hope you are remembering this. x1 is minus 1 plus 6 minus of plus of minus 3. x3 is minus 3 by 3. That is how much, children? Minus 1 plus 6 minus 3 by 3. That is 6 minus 4 by 3, 2 by 3. G of x is 2 by 3. What is the g of y? y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. y1 is 3 plus y2 is minus 3 plus y3 is 6 by 3. That is 3 minus 3 plus 6 by 3. These two will get cancelled. 6 by 3, that is equal to 2. Therefore, g of x comma y is equal to 2 by 3 comma 2. This is the answer of the first bit. Already derivation I have taught in the previous videos, children. So we are doing the sum directly. First bit I have done. Now let us see the second bit. Second bit 6 comma 2, 0 comma 0 and 4 comma minus 7. x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So g of x, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, that is equal to x1 6 plus x2 0 plus x3 4 by 3, 10 by 3, g of x. G of y, so this implies g of x is equal to 10 by 3. G of y, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So y1 is 2 plus y2 0 plus y3 minus 7 by 3. That is 2 minus 7 by 3, that is equal to, this is 4 comma minus 7. No? So y3 is plus of minus 7. So 2 minus 7 is minus 5 by 3. So g of y is equal to minus 5 by 3. Therefore, g of x comma y is equal to 10 by 3 comma minus 5 by 3. This is the answer for the second bit, children. Third bit now. 1 comma minus 1, 0 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 0. x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. g of x, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. x1 1 plus x2 0 plus x3 minus 3 by 3. That is 1 minus 3 by 3, that is minus 2 by 3. This implies g of x is equal to minus 2 by 3. Now g of y, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So y1 is minus 1 plus y2 is 6 plus y3 is 0 by 3. That is 5 by 3. So this implies g of y is equal to 5 by 3. Therefore, g of x comma y is minus 2 by 3 comma 5 by 3. This is the answer. Very simple questions, children, here. Only the thing, substitute the values, you'll be getting. But sometimes they ask you, I told earlier also, that derive the centroid. First you have to derive and then you have to do. For short answers, you'll be getting it directly. But for essay type, they will ask you the derivation and then they give any one of these type of questions to solve. No doubt. Now 11th sum, children. 11th sum is find a point A, that is x comma y, when C divides AB in 2:3 ratio. So this is a line segment A and B. Coordinates of A is x comma y and C divides AB in 2:3 ratio. This is C. It is dividing AB in 2:3 ratio. and points of B and C are given as B is minus 5 comma 8 and C is 3 comma 6. So this is the figure, children. AB is divided by C in 2:3 ratio. So C divides AB in 2:3 ratio. Therefore, M1 is 2, or first we will write M1 is to M2 is equal to 2:3. This implies M1 is 2 and M2 is 3. So C of X is equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 by M1 plus M2. So here C of X is 3 is equal to M1 X2. M1 is 2 into X2. This is X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So 2 into minus 5 plus M2 is 3 into X1 is X by 2 plus 3. That is 3 is equal to minus 10 plus 3x by 5. So cross multiplication if you do, 15 is equal to minus 10 plus 3x. That means 3x is equal to 15 minus 10 when it comes here plus 10. That is equal to 3x is equal to 25. So what is x? 25 by 3. You have got x value as 25 by 3. Now we will go for C of y. M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. C of y is given as 6. So 6 is equal to, what is M1? 2 into y2, 8 plus M2, 3 into y1 is y by 2 plus 3. 6 is equal to 16 plus 3y by 5. So 5 6 are 30 is equal to 16 plus 3y. So what is 3y? 30 minus 16. 30 minus 16 is 3y is equal to 14. So what is y? 14 by 3. Therefore, x comma y is equal to 25 by 3 comma 14 by 3. This is the answer, children. 11th problem of 7.2. Now 12th problem. The line segment AB meets the coordinate axis in points A and B. Coordinate axis means what, children? X and y axes. They are coordinate axes. That means you have got a line segment. Let me consider it as A and B. Line segment AB meets the coordinate axes at the points A and B. A point P 3, 6 divides AB in 2:3 ratio. So let me call it as P. It is dividing AB in 2:3 ratio. And the P coordinates are given as 3, 6. Now you have to find out what are the coordinates of A and what are the coordinates of B. See, children, if a point on x-axis, point is on x-axis, its general order pair is A, 0. If the point is on y-axis, its general formula is 0, b. We know it. So, we will say that coordinates of A is equal to A, 0 x1, y1. Coordinates of B is equal to 0, comma B, x2, y2. P divides AB in 2:3 ratio. What does this implies? This implies M1 is to M2 is equal to 2:3, which implies M1 is equal to 2 and M2 is equal to 3. Now, let us go for P of x. What is P of x? P of x is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. P of x, x coordinate of P is 3, is equal to M1 is 2 into x2. What is x2? 0. Plus M2, it is 3 into x1. x1 is A by 2 plus 3. 3 is equal to 3A by 5. 15 is equal to 3A. Therefore, A is equal to 15 by 3. That is 5. A is 5. Therefore, coordinate of A is equal to, what is this? 5, 0. This is one answer, children. Now, let us see the next part. P of y. P of y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. P of y coordinate is 6. So, you will be writing 6 is equal to m1, that is 2, into y2. What is y2? B, plus m2. What is m2? 3 into m1, y1. y1 is 0 by 2 plus 3. 6 is equal to 2b by 5. 30 is equal to 2b. Therefore, b is equal to 30 by 2. That is 15. So, coordinate of b is equal to, what is this? 0, comma b. That is 0, comma 15. This is another answer. So, coordinates of A, coordinate of B, we got it, children. Please note it down. It is 12th sub. With this, I am going to conclude my topic today. In the next class, I will be doing the next part.